Hello, welcome back to Auto Social UK and welcome back to another Lupo vlog. I know you guys love these, and you know what? I'm actually getting more stuck in than ever. I know I hinted that I wanted to learn a few things about the car, some simple little kind of things that I can do to it. Hopefully it won't be too bad, it'll be pretty straightforward, but that's all the fun of it. But if you like videos like this, you like car content, then please make sure you're subscribed and let's get into it. Hello, welcome back to Auto Social UK. So today I am with Miriam at Modern Mini or Talk Monkey, her workshop here in Chelmsford. And today you're going to show me how to do something.
I am. We are going to do your rear shocks, replacing one of them is leaking and one of them is tied up.
Yeah, I did notice a leak and I thought, oh my god, what on earth's wrong? Found out it was a shocks and they're not supposed to be that difficult.
No, they are actually supposed to be quite simple.
So I thought a bit of girl power. We're not experts. Miriam's not an expert, she don't claim to be an expert, but we're going to kind of fumble our way around doing the rear shocks because we've heard it's pretty simple. So yeah, let's get stuck into it.
Excellent.
Right, so we've steamed ahead, but it's pretty straightforward of what we've just done. It literally just involved a bit of ripping out, a couple of clips and a few screws. That is literally it. But all we've done is taken the seal off, taken the part around the boot off, and then the shock is behind this bit of plastic here. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. Because the rear wheels will drop down once we've removed the screws holding the shocks, we need to pull out the ABS sensor so that it doesn't break when they drop.
Okay, so we're just cleaning up the bolt on the other end of this thread and the thread as well. So when we come to undoing it, it comes off nicer than if we just went gun-ho with it. Okay, so next up, WD-40 to hopefully lubricate them slightly more as well. We've got our spanner somewhere, and we've got the 17-inch on the not drill.
Gun. We don't claim to be experts. This is all for fun.
Okay, fabulous.
Go on. That's all right.
You knew that was going to happen.
That was supposed to happen. Right, so it's currently looking like a little mini monster truck. We did have to unplug this in the end because it dropped down a lot lower than we was expecting, which isn't too much problem. So that's obviously detached now, so that's not pulling on that. And now it's just a case of swapping them over. Behind that bit of trim that covers the seatbelt deployer, the shock is bolted in. So we just need to remove the bolt, and also if anyone picks up on it, yes, my rear seatbelts do need replacing as they are fraying.
So we've put a pair of mod grips in there They are holding the inner shaft of the shock still because my 16 ratchet spanner has just stopped working. So we're going to use a deep socket, but it means that you can't then hold that inner shaft still. So you've got the mole grips holding it still, so we can undo the nut on the inside, and then theoretically it should all just come out.
Fabulous.
You'll probably have to do it for a little while.
Okay. So pick up the pace. Okay, cool. I mean, that one doesn't look too bad.
No,
Does
that's
it?
the one that's not me.
Okay. Amazing.
So if you want,
Cool. Voila. Here we have old and new.
The other one was like really loose. Oh, it is loose now. Does that look about right? Well, I can't see anything.
It feels around the same as
It looks
was last
good.
time. You right down there?
Very comfortable, thank you. With your little knee.
Voila.
Oh, it's
That
really icky.
is the icky one. That's the one that's been leaking all over my floor.
Yeah, I think that's a good one to do.
I just thought I'd quickly mention that this is the shock that we're using. I wasn't too worried about going for anything heavy duty, as I know I don't really drive the car that much. And it is possible I am going to redo all the suspension at some point.
Did you see anything?
yeah.
So this is the old manky one that's come off. I'm not actually too sure if that's, I think that's a mix of like oil and dirt and all sorts. And then these are the new ones, ready to go back on. This stuff has stayed on. This is what's come off of the last shocks. Apparently this bit you have to get only from Volkswagen, but it's not essential that I get a brand new bit anyway. So we've got the nice new shocks, and yeah, I mean, it looks a bit manky, but it all still works for what it's supposed to. And the Lupo's pretty light, so we don't have to worry about it absorbing too much weight, especially with me driving it once a month. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put them on. So that's the new shocks all bolted in. Now it's just time to replace the trim. The new shocks are in place, and we've also replaced the ABS sensors. So it's now just to tighten up the screws again.
Yeah, okay. No, it will still set up.
Oh, okay.
Do up.
Right, so mission success.
It was alright actually.
It didn't go too bad. We did have to ask for help just a couple of times. We wanted to make sure that a few things were correct, but other than that, we managed to bat away the boys for most of the time and do it on our own. But thank you so much for helping
you're
me
very
out.
welcome.
I
It was
really,
good fun.
really appreciate it. And if you guys enjoy this kind of content, then definitely go and follow the channel, which is Mod and Mini Garage. And also, please head over to Instagram and follow Mod and Mini on there as well, and Talk Monkey as well, please. I'll pop all the details in the description box, but I know that if you guys like my content, then you'll love Miriam's content as well. But thank you so much. If you enjoyed it, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, then hit the subscribe button. Until next time, bye.